I don't know what's going to happen, but it's whatever happens is going to be interesting.
Let's see.
He drives set, go.
That didn't sound good. There we go.
Oh, John, that just looks sweet.
Yeah, that is. You have the best hardware.
Oh no! Yeah, nice hardware.
Software? Meh. There we go.
There it goes. Yep, there it went.
Oh, maybe I gotta hit it again. There for a second it was looking good.
Did you turn on your power function box?
Turning on the battery box.
Brian wins really easy when that kind of stuff happens. I don't know why that is.
This for it. Bye-bye.
No, like, I need to... like that iron.
Oh, you're going to get me.
Actually, no, I could have done that.
Broke a track!
Nice.
Yeah. But now I'd have to find it.
It's just a matter of time till I get him. Oh no, I didn't see him in time. Oh, I spin out of the way. Hey,
And I attacked the box.
Chicken, I'm a chicken. Oh! Throw the tire at you.
Destruction. Massive destruction. And I'm going to attack the table. We're not off to... I'll keep going after you. I got this.
Oh. Crushing and grinding.
Oh.
Oh! My tracks are not running right.
Boring.
Yeah, but mine's going to hit Ed sooner or later.
There we go.
I was so proud of myself. I put a get board command.
Oh, it looks bad for me.
Mine's not stopping. Did he leave that part out?
Yeah, I did.
I want to see what happens when the spinning wheel death hits.
Nothing much because it's just driven by the same gear train as the...
It'll break the chain.
Yeah. No, it stops the clutch gear inside.
Look out, Ben.
Oh, you guys didn't replace that?
No, I didn't.
Like, when I saw a clutch gear going into it when I was building, I was like, no, there's will be no clutch gear.
Oh.